Today we will learn about place value and face value of 4-digit numbers. Learning objective. Students will be able to understand the concept of place value and face value of each digit in a number. First, we will learn about what is place value. So here, place value, it determines the value of each digit position in a number. So the value of each digit position in a number. So right now you can see here the number it is given 3456, and here you can also see the places: ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. These places you can see this ones, tens, hundreds and thousand, it represent the places. Now here these are the digits in a number. So we need to find out the value of each digit. What will be the value of 6? What will be the value of 6 in this number 3456? We need to find out the value of each digit present in this number. Let's see. Now let's take one example. Here you can see one abacus. So here you can see the abacus represent 2354, and right now you can see the encircled number is 3. So we need to find out what is the place value of the encircled digit. We need to find out what is the place value of the encircled digit. So let's see how to find out the encircled digit place value. So now, to know the place value of the encircled digit, 2 steps we have to follow. So the first one is write the encircled digit. So here you can see the encircled digit is 3. So first of all, we will write down 3. And the second step is that we need to find out the place name. Then the place name we have to find out where the 3 is present. So here you can see the 3 is present in the hundreds place. So we will write down here hundreds. Okay. So here you can see we have written the first 3, the number we have written, then we have written the place name. So this 3 and hundreds will represent the place value, of the encircled digit. So here you can see 300s, or you can also write in a number 300 like this. You can also represent the place value of the encircled digit like this. Otherwise you can also write 3 then place name. Now let's try this. Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? So here the number it is given 3245, and the encircled number is 4. So we need to find out the place value of 4. That means first of all, the first step is we need to write down the number first. So we will write down here 4. Then we need to write down the place name. So 4 is present in the tens. So we will write down here tens. So 4 tens, or we will represent as 40. So this is the place value of the encircled digit. So right now you can see the answer is 4 tens or 40. This will represent the place value. Now let's see another example. Here you can see the number 6783, and here you can see the 7 number is encircled. That means we need to find out the place value of this 7. So right now you can see the 7 digit is present in 100. That means the place value will be 700. Now let's learn about face value. Face value, it determines the digit itself in a number. Here you can see one number, it is given 3456. Now we need to find out the face value of 4 in 3456. Face value means it determines the digit itself only. So that means the 4 face value will be 4 only. The digit itself, the same number will represent the face value of the digit it is asking. Now it will be clear for you after giving one extra example. Here you can see another example. It is given 6783. That means here we need to find out the face value of 8. So that means we need to find out the digit itself. So the 8 is present. That means we will represent only 8 as the face value of 8. The number itself will represent the face value of the digit present in this number. Now let's clear the difference between face value and place value. So here you can see the number, it is given 3679. 9 is present in ones place, 7 is present in tens place, 6 is present in 100 place, and 3 is present in 1000 place. Now let's see what will be the face value and place value of each of the digit present in this number. So let's find out what will be the face value and place value of 3. So the face value of 3 will be 3. The number represent itself. And what will be the place value of 3? That means we need to find out 3. We will write down first. Then 3 is present in 1000 place. So we will write down thousands. So 3000s will represent the place value. So let's see another 6. Now what will be the face value of 6? Yes, the digit itself. That means 6. And what will be the place value of 6? As 6 is present in 100 place. So first of all we will write down the number, that is 6, and then we will write down the place name. So it becomes place value of 6. Then you can see the 7. Let's see the face value of 7. The number itself, 7 is the face value of 7. And you can see 7 is present in tens place. So first of all, to find out the place value, we will write down the number 7. Then we will write down the place name, that is tens. So together it represents the place value of 7, that is 7 tens. Next you can see the 9. What will be the face value of 9? The face value of 9 will be the number itself, that is 9, and 9 is present in ones place. So what will be the place value of 9? So first of all we will write down the number 9, and then 9 is present in ones place. So we will write down the place name ones. So 9 ones will be the place value of 9. So like this, you need to differentiate between face value and place value of each of the digits present in a number. So here for place value, you can also write 3000, or in number you can also write 3000 like this. 600, or you can also write like this in number 600. 7 tens you can write down, or 70, and for 9 ones you can write down 9. Like this also you can represent the place value. Now one extra information is that if it will ask for the place, as you all of you have known about place value, face value, place value, all of you have known. Now if it will ask for only place of 3, so what will be the place of 3? It is present in 1000 place, so you will only write down the spelling of 1000 here. And if it will ask for what is the place of 6, so 6 is present in hundreds place, so that means you will only write down the spelling of 100. And what will be the place of 7? 7 is present in tens, so you will write down the tens spelling here. And 9 place will be in ones, so you will only write down ones. Okay, so see the difference between place value and only place. Place value you will represent the number also and the place name also, but in place you will only represent the name of the place. Learning outcomes. Develop the clear concept idea of place value and face value of each digit in a number. Recognize the difference between place value, place and face value.